Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. What do you think about the fashion in LA and New York? Is it same or different? I traveled New York before, but I never lived in New York for a long time. But let me show you my different styling for New York and LA, matching my outfit with Chanel bag and Hermes bag. I got some items from Zara, like sandal and hat. So I'm gonna match these items to show LA style and New York style. Also this blazer I got from Storets, so I'm gonna show you the detail. This fun spiral strap sandal is from Zara. When you wear long pants, you can style like this. The straw hat is from Zara, and two sandals are from Storage. I love this daddy sandal style. Both sandals are under $100. It's so comfortable and very lightweight. I love it. Let me show you pink color in New York and LA style. So there's no rule for the fashion style, but New York is more feminine or formal style, but LA is more casual style. So you can play with more color in LA. Which style do you like? I'm more into LA style. I tried to show a little bit feminine style for New York and LA style with short pants, so it's more casual style. By the way, it's like really hot summer now in LA during daytime. But nighttime, you might need to layer more, like cardigan or thin blazer jacket. I love this pink blazer jacket because it's kind of thin, so it's perfect for summer. I tried just LA style now. Like you can wear any tank top inside with a short denim pants. Perfect casual style with pink blazer. Now let's style with green color. I'm gonna show you New York style and LA style with a blazer from Storets. They have so many color with this style. I love this oversized single breast silhouette, and it's 100% cotton. You can wear till summer for layering. I got this crystal earring from Ettika, also necklaces from Ettika, the straw hat from Zara. So for New York style, I wear the straw hat and formal green white pants with a black camisole. LA style, denim shorts with tank top and the blazer. New York style, with the blazer, you can wear all black inside. It's more feminine and formal. In LA, you can wear all green but shorts and shirts. I got this set from Storage. Now, let's try black color in New York style and LA style. I'm gonna use these two hats. The orange cap is from Storage and the straw hat is from Zara. So in New York, you can go all neutral, which is all black. And in LA, you can mix match with like orange color or like yellow color, something pop color. I used to love to wear only neutral color like white, black, and beige when I was younger. But right now, I don't know. I feel like I want to mix match with like more bright colors. It's more fun, especially in LA. In LA, you can probably match with anything with a short denim pants. I got this tote bag when I purchased some limited edition from Chanel Factory 5. This is perfect for LA summer weather. I'm gonna match with my jewelries from Ettika. In April, it's already summer weather in LA, but nighttime it's gonna be chilly, so you need to layer, like wear some cardigan or jacket, even the leather jacket at night. In New York, you can mix match with more formal style, like leather pants with camisole and the blazer. So this was my small tip about different style in LA and New York. After this, I'm gonna show you what I did during spring break. I went to Mammoth. It's the second week of April, but there was still snow. Can you believe? But when I was there, it was pretty warm, so I could ski only in the morning. On the way back to LA, there was Copper Top BBQ. You can get very good BBQ stuff from there. I got the pulled pork sandwich. It was really good. Also, I went to Universal Studio. It was spring break, so many people there. You better avoid the holiday season. First, I went to Harry Potter side. I haven't been here, so I was so excited. So many Harry Potter stuff. This creature was so interesting. It moves once in a while. At last, I'm inside the Harry Potter castle for the ride. All the setting was exactly from Harry Potter. After Harry Potter ride, I went to Simpson side. I think last time I came to Universal Studio was like 10 years ago. Let's see, the ride is same or kind of change it. Now I'm going inside. I love this Krusty. After Krusty Land, I went to Waterworld side. Do you remember the movie Waterworld long time ago? Yeah, Kevin Costner. After that, I had lunch here. There is a honey mead, all the drink from Harry Potter. I'm gonna try the butterbeer here. Butterbeer is like soda, non-alcohol. Kids can drink, and this was BBQ set from restaurant. I had a mini Easter party with friends. Just some cookie and decorating eggs. What did you do for Easter? I was catching up with some friend family. After Easter, I went to Shake Shack Burger. I've seen this brand in Vegas. Now you can try pretty much everywhere. I love this burger. It was actually the first time for me to try. I love this one. And at last, I got my new iPhone. It's been almost 3 years. I was using iPhone 11 Pro Max. Size-wise, there's no big difference. But when you see the shape of the edge, it's a little bit different. I can show you quickly. Old one, the edge is more rounded. The new one is not. New one has bigger lens for the camera. Also, I feel like the new one is thicker than old one. For sure, new one will be heavier than old one. I'm glad at last I got the new one. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.